Hey, cheers everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope everybody is doing good, staying safe. Now, with this title, आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा, and I guess this is something even I'm more excited to talk about. This is the personal topic that many of the students has reached out to me saying that, hey, no, Gaurav, we want to improve our communication skills. We want to know that how you started improving on your communication skills. But first of all, let me tell you, be honest. To be honest yourself. To be honest means I am not good in speaking English. Only thing is, this word communication itself tell you the importance. मेरे ख्याल से जब मैंने ये बात सुनी थी पहली बार कहीं से कि कम्युनिकेशन का असली मतलब निकलता है वर्ड कम्यून से, जिसका मतलब है टू शेयर. And I guess even if you go on Google and just simply type communication meaning, it also says sharing of knowledge by speaking, by writing, the way you want to do it. It's just that whatever you want to express, you need to make that message correct, that yes, somebody else need to understand that. And for that means over the time while I was also doing this YouTube and working in my profession, I have discovered five basic principles to improve your communication skills. आई एम नॉट क्लेमिंग कि आपको 100% अगर आपने ये पांच मेथड्स अडॉप्ट किए तो आपको सक्सेस मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. बट ट्रस्ट मी, आफ्टर अडॉप्टिंग दीज फाइव मेथड्स, I guess 100% you will start a improvement of one step ahead, that hey, yes, you are doing better. So let me bring on the screen and you will be able to see that what I have things for you. So this is your like friend sharing your like simple five tips to you all, talking about how you can improve or how you can master your communication skills. So, my first and the foremost advice to all of you is that believe in what you say. This becomes very much important that what you believe, you need to take a stand for. Many a times, I have seen influencers, I have seen people talking about the things which they are getting paid for. you know and everyone remember this incident when Ronaldo was addressing a press conference और उन्होंने कोक की bottle हटा के he just promoted drink water. I'll also take that word, like, okay, drink water. Now, interesting is what I want to tell you is that he took a stand on which he believes in. Similar, you will feel more confident if you have tried, if you have examined, if you have gone through that situation. So, my message is very much clear that believe in what you say. If you believe that, okay, this is what I'm trying to say, automatically, language is just not a barrier in front of you. It is not going to be a barrier for you. Many a times many students reached out to me saying that, hey, no, Gaurav, I'm from a small town and I'm from tier 2 tier 3 city college, मेरी इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. It's not about English. तुम्हें उस सब्जेक्ट की नॉलेज नहीं. जस्ट स्टार्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग एंड स्लोली ग्रेजुअली दूसरे लोगों से बात करो, दूसरे लोगों से उनकी एडवाइस समझो. जस्ट गो एंड बी ओपन अबाउट इट दैट हे, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Can you please repeat? Can you please tell me back again? Please pardon. Just small things. Because if you start believing in what you say, half of your things will automatically get clear in front of you. So believe in what you say. You will start becoming more confident when you're addressing somebody or crowd, or even if you're trying to write something. Just believe in what you say. Moving ahead, the second point is something that again reminds me that when we talk about believe in what we say, we also need to understand be open to the unknown. I just talked about question करो, raise a question कि तुम्हें कुछ चीज समझ नहीं आई है, जाओ जाके बात करो. At the same time, believe, be open to the unknown. अगर तुम्हें ऐसा कुछ लगता है कि यार ये तो मेरे रेडार से बाहर आ गया है, how I should do it, go ahead and talk about it. Go and talk to your friends, people who knows it. Don't be hesitant in asking the questions. Might you won't be able to get the answer at one go, but slowly you will understand the power of questioning. Also, even if you are in a forum, in a conference, make sure that you network. Reason being, you are attending a forum or a podcast, or you are attending or watching a live YouTube video or something. There is a big responsibility on your shoulder as well. Thing is, you are listening to someone to whom you know or you don't know. Now, thing is, while you are listening to someone, your mind raises a lot of questions. Your brain triggers a lot of questions that why this guy thought of this part. Now, that where you should throw up a question that, hey, this is something I don't agree to. This is something I agree to. Can you please explain a more? Certain things will help you to build that relationship. I have always done this once I realized, not from the day one, to be honest. I have started learning about it. I started discovering about it. And slowly, when I understood that, okay, this is something working for me, I found a new Gaurav inside me. The simply just being open to the unknown. इस चीज से मत डरो कि यार वो क्या सोचेगा. नहीं सोचना है इस बात को. आपको जाकर के बस उससे बात करनी है. एंड देन बी पेशेंट अबाउट इट. बी पेशेंट कि यार सामने से रिस्पॉन्स आएगा. डोंट और लाइक एक स्टूडेंट्स को एक मैं बहुत अच्छी टिप देना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे कि यार जब भी तुम लोग किसी को लिंक्डइन पे या ट्विटर पे कनेक्ट करते हो, एक पर्सनलाइज मैसेज के साथ कनेक्ट करो. यू विल फाइंड योर एंगेजमेंट लेवल इंक्रीजिंग. Don't just go and send a blank text message and then just simply say, hey, I want a referral. Hey, can you please refer me for this position? Hey, I have this doubt. Go and start talking about it. Be open. What you are there for. State your objective. Okay. I hope this will help you in getting your more communication, like things driven in your batchmates or your seniors or anybody to whom you want to interact with. Now, the next topic, practice more. Now, what happens is, मैं भी बहुत सारे टॉक्स डिलीवर करता हूँ. मैं भी बहुत सारे यूट्यूब वीडियो के कंटेंट क्रिएट करता हूँ. मेरे को भी स्टार्टिंग में ये प्रॉब्लम होती थी कि मैं भूल जाता था. एंड सर्टेनली एवरीबडी नोज इट. Whenever you are trying to deliver a talk or whenever you are writing something, practice more. Reason is, when you start practicing, you start discovering about it. तुम लोग बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस अपने आप से पूछने लगते हो, यार ये तो काम नहीं कर रहा, यार ऐसे इंट्रो दूंगा, यार मैं ये चीज अच्छी कर सकता हूँ. Simply stand in front of mirror, or nowadays even you need not to go to a mirror. There are free softwares, and thanks to StreamYard also, I have practiced n number of time opening up this StreamYard, a free of cost tool. Just go install it on your laptop. Doesn't require any extension. A normal internet stable connection will do it for you. Just open it up, sit in front of the camera, and start talking. I'm also using this Canva, which is again free of cost, or like there are Slides Go and many other template sites which are available. Just put down some words. Don't bulk your presentations with a lot of words. I personally hate it. Reason is, if you write short, people will be able to capture that what is the agenda he is going to talk about. Always remember 5x5 rule. This is a very simple rule and it will help you to increase your communication. Reason being, if you start reading the text which is written on the screen, you will start automatically losing the connection with the audience. Now, 5x5 rule says in a slide, maximum 5 words in a line and 5 line at max. So there should be 5 lines and 5 word in one line. And that's how you optimally write your agenda for that particular slide. Best part है, अब जैसे मैंने practice more बताया, just simple, it is talking about practice. How build a presentation and start rehearsing about it. Do write your speaker notes and practice that. Don't read the transcript. Don't read the speaker notes. Just pointers लिखो और उस pointer से story बनाओ और उस story को rehearse करो, optimize करो. कि अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि यार ये 10 मिनट की वीडियो जा रही है, तुम इसको 5 में खत्म कर सकते हो, do it. और वो चीजें तब आएंगी जब आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे. इफ यू आर हेजिटेट कि मैं लाइव नहीं कर सकता हूं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, स्टार्टिंग रिकॉर्डिंग से करो. तुम जब रिकॉर्ड करोगे, अपने आप को सुनोगे, तुम्हें लगेगा कि यार ये चीज इंप्रूव हो सकती थी. इमीडिएटली टेक अ न्यू टेक, डू अ न्यू टेक, एंड ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग बेटर एंड बेटर एवरी सिंगल डे. एंड लास्ट पॉइंट अभी याद है ना, बी ओपन टू द अननोन. सिंपली वो हेल्प करेगा. सामने वाले को भी तुम नहीं जानते हो, तुम्हें भी वो नहीं जानता है. वो एक सर्टेन एक्सपेक्टेशंस के साथ आया है, तुम भी एक सर्टेन एक्सपेक्टेशंस के साथ गए हो. बस इस चीज को इतना ही क्लियर रखना है कि हाँ, व्हाट आई विल बी डिलीवरिंग, व्हाट आई हैव केम फॉर, एंड ही विल बी गोइंग टू लिसन अस. एज सिंपल एज दैट. दैट्स ऑल. जस्ट गो एंड बी ऑनेस्ट. to what you believe, what you are trying to say there, and that's it. Now, the fourth point which I want to talk about here is that master storytelling. Now, I don't know why this alignment came off, but yeah, master the storytelling. मैंने इस चीज पे ना बहुत रिहर्सल करी है एंड स्टिल आई एम लर्निंग कि एक स्टोरी बनाओ. लाइक अगर आप तुम मेरे आज ये 5 पॉइंट देखोगे, मैंने इनको इतनी बार प्रैक्टिस करके ऊपर नीचे रखा है. मेरा फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या था? इफ यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग बैक, बिलीव इन व्हाट यू से. दैट इज द फर्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट दैट आई ऑलवेज बिलीव कि अगर मैं कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन डिलीवर कर रहा हूं, क्या ये मैं अगर अडॉप्ट करता हूं या मैंने जो भी सेशंस बनाए, क्या मैं इनके साथ ऑनेस्ट हूं? सबसे पहली चीज तुम्हें ये सोचनी है. सेकंड, बी ओपन टू अननोन्स. यस, वो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. फिर उसके बाद में प्रैक्टिस करनी स्टार्ट करो, और प्रैक्टिस के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली उसको एक स्टोरी में डालो कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक, इज इट गोइंग टू वर्क? मूवी हम लोग देखते हैं, कहीं पर भी सीन कभी भी शूट हुआ हो, बट वो हमें एक स्टोरी लगती है, राइट? दैट्स द वे योर प्रेजेंटेशंस आर आल्सो योर स्टोरीज. और अगर कुछ एक्सीडेंट्स हो भी जाते हैं स्टोरी के बीच में, तुमने इतनी बार अगर उसको प्रैक्टिस किया होगा, आई डोंट थिंक दैट यू विल बी एबल टू गेट लाइक व्हाट डू यू से, मतलब वो एक अननोन सिचुएशन आ जाती है ना, स्पीड ब्रेकर आ जाता है, और हम लोग स्कूटी चला रहे होते हैं तो हम लोग भी मैनेज कर लेते हैं ब्रेक डाल के, स्पीड अप ज्यादा करके, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट मीन्स टू यू. एंड यू नो दिस इज व्हाट वन ऑफ द स्पीड ब्रेकर्स आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट. मेनी टाइम्स बहुत बार ये होता है कि हम प्रेजेंटेशन जाते हैं और अलाइनमेंट बिगड़ जाती है. डोंट बी वरीड अबाउट इट, डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ इट. यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड मोर, मास्टर योर स्टोरी टेलिंग कि मैं इस तरह की स्टोरी सामने वाले को बताने वाला हूं. उस टाइम पे आपके ऐसे कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन में अगर फॉल्ट होंगे ना, आपको दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. Sometimes this get your attention of the audience also. This will tell you that they are attentive, and that's where your pure storytelling method will help you in getting rescue from that situation. Moving ahead, the last but not the least, commit emotionally. मेरे ख्याल से जब तुम सामने वाले के साथ इमोशनली कनेक्ट हो जाते हो, it becomes more easier to convey your thoughts. Many a times I have seen people just being so blunt that you don't know anything, you should listen me, and many other parts. I have created that video also, talking about flip method, favorites, least favorites, interaction and prototypes. हर किसी के साथ एक इमोशनल कनेक्ट बनाओ. अब इमोशनल कनेक्ट का मतलब ये भी नहीं है कि अपना जाके दुखड़ा रोने लग जाओ कि यार मैं तो इतने कॉलेज से पीछे हूँ, मेरी परसेंटेज नहीं है, मैं पैसे नहीं कमा रहा हूँ, मेरी जॉब नहीं लगती, मेरी इंटर्नशिप नहीं हो रही है. ना 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 ना, वो इमोशनली नहीं है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट इमोशंस. मीन्स यू शुड गो एंड क्रिएट फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप विद दैट अदर पर्सन. जस्ट गो एंड स्टार्ट इंटरेक्टिंग विद इट. एक रिलेशन बिल्ड करो, इंटरेक्शन स्टार्ट करो. अगर तुम किसी को सुन के आ रहे हो, फर्स्ट टाइम उसके फेवरेट्स बताओ, वो भी एक्नॉलेज करेगा. जैसे एक्नॉलेज करते हो अपने लीस्ट फेवरेट्स उनको बताओ, दैट आई वाज नॉट एबल टू लाइक इंटरेक्ट विद दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. वो उस चीज को भी एप्रिशिएट करेगा क्योंकि अब तुम इमोशनली कनेक्टेड हो. देन अब तुम्हारी इंटरेक्शन हो ही रही है. अब इंटरेक्शन के बाद में उसका एक प्रोटोटाइप बनाओ, क्योंकि जब तुम किसी चीज को अगर लीस्ट फेवरेट बता रहे हो, लाइक यू डिडंट एग्री टू दैट पॉइंट, you should go and ask them that, hey, I was looking for this point from this perspective, how you thought of that point, and automatically उस सामने वाला आपको एक अपना पर्सपेक्टिव भी बताएगा. We start judging others, we don't hear from them, we just simply pass on our statements. This guy is doing good, this guy is not doing good, and that's done. That is actually not done. That's where we need to understand one part, that when you are trying to commune, when you are trying to share your thoughts to other person, you need to connect emotionally also. अदरवाइज वही होगा, आप सिस्टम में बैठे हो, आपने बैठ करके अपना फोन चला लेना है, सामने वीडियो चल रही है, उससे कुछ मतलब नहीं पड़ता. एंड दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू. You need to be attentive, you need to commit emotionally with other. Once you start connecting emotionally, half of your conversation don't go well. Reason being, you are not able to connect emotionally, you are just requesting for a help. That other person acknowledge or not acknowledge it, it's their call. But if you have an understanding between both of you, automatically that will create magic around it. So with that means, I just want to say you, these are my 5 tips to all of you. I hope you all like this part, and tell me in the comment section that which is your favorite skills that you want to master, or this is something that you was requiring for. And trust me, these 5 simple and easy tips can help you to improve your communication skills. Believe in what you say, be open to the unknown, practice more, master storytelling, and commit emotionally. With that, I just want to wrap up this session by saying few words that inspiration comes from within yourself. One has to be positive. When you are positive, good thing happens. अच्छा सोचो, अच्छा बोलो. किसी और के लिए बुरा सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, सबके लिए अच्छा सोचो. कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, यस, दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन. Do whatever you do, but you do it great. Practice as much as you can when you want to try and pass on your message. Think good for others, because there are few people outside your known fields, or like outside your circle, who are even less unfortunate, who are not fortunate enough that you are. You are a god gift, which you should like be happy for. Be happy. Make a change in your life by helping others, by empowering others, right? With that, if you like this video, do leave a comment, do hit that like button, and more importantly, share it with your friends that this was something that I always want to do to improve my communication skills. Leave the comment that which is that part that you like the most. And also, if you think that, hey, Gaurav, we want you to create some video on this particular topic, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to create that video on that topic as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, please do hit and smash that subscribe button and press that bell icon to stay notified, because there are some amazing sessions that are lined up for you all. With that, thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Cheers. Good night. Good morning. Good evening. Namaskar. Sat Shri Akal. And more important, keep learning, keep sharing, keep hustling, and more important, stay with your loved ones and enjoy the life. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you with another exciting